Welcome back to Glide for Growth. In this series, you learn my 4-part framework for simplifying, automating, and scaling your business with Glide. For each task, you want to explain the process, create a place to store the data, design the layout, then automate the actions. As you grow, each one of these steps might be simpler or more complex, depending on what you're trying to do. But these are the things you want to think through every single time. I put some polishing touches on Ellie's catering proposal app to give you some inspiration. Let's publish it and take it for a test run. Alrighty, before we get to the fun stuff, let me also note a super powerful fact of Glide, and that's that all Glide apps are responsive by default. So this app will actually work great on Ellie's mobile phone. We'll update our privacy settings so that only people from my team can log into this app. We don't want anyone else accessing our client data. And then finally, we'll publish this app with a custom domain called Ellie's Catering. So now we're on our custom website and I've logged in, and now I can add a new event. You'll see here I've added statuses for each one of these events. The one we just added is in the draft status. With the menu added, I'll generate and send the proposal. The client receives an email from Ellie's Catering indicating it's the proposal. When they click on it, they see a thank you message and a link to view the proposal. Inside, all the data that Ellie had entered into the new event form is automatically added to the PDF. And all Ellie had to do was click a button, saving her tons of time and headspace as she continues to grow and scale her business. Now, my hope for this course was that it would give you a strong foundation to start streamlining the processes in your business. I also wanted to inspire you on how you can use Glide to achieve your business goals. If you want to continue learning, check out the resources linked below. And if you're interested in working with me as your growth partner in business, don't hesitate to reach out. I'd love to talk to you. Thanks for joining me on this journey with Glide, and I wish you all the best in your business endeavors.